Three ways to build strong bones in kids. Please take a quick moment to subscribe and click the bell icon to stop missing out on important giveaways. Number 1. Give kids high calcium foods. Calcium is a mineral that's known for building healthy bones. It's found in dairy products, beans, orange juice, or cereal, nuts, seeds, and in leafy green vegetables. What you can do: encourage your kids to eat high calcium food. If your child eats dairy, your doctor or dietitian can tell you how much to serve based on age. Younger kids may need 2-3 servings of low fat dairy each day, while our older kids may need 4 servings. Look to replace common foods with high calcium variants. Buy almond butter instead of peanut butter, or calcium fortified orange juice instead of regular juice. Number 2. Give kids a vitamin D supplement. Vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium. Healthcare providers recommend all kids take a vitamin D supplement if they don't get enough in their diet. Even babies need to take vitamin D unless they are drinking at least 32 ounces of formula per day. What you can do: ask your doctor, nurse practitioner, physician assistant, or a dietitian how much vitamin D your child needs and the best way to get it. Number 3. Encourage kids to exercise. Our muscles get stronger the more we use them. The same is true for bones. Weight bearing activities like walking, running, jumping, and climbing are especially good for building bone. They use the force of our muscles and gravity to put pressure on our bones. The pressure makes the body build up stronger bone. Activities like riding a bike and swimming don't create this weight bearing pressure. They are great for overall body health. But kids also need to do some kind of weight bearing exercise. What you can do: make sure your child gets at least an hour of physical activity each day, including weight bearing exercises. Everyone needs to get enough calcium, vitamin D, and exercise, but these are really important for kids, especially when they are growing during the preteen and teen years. Vitamin D and calcium also can be useful as part of a medical treatment. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share.